How to change the texture size without losing quality. Let's choose any brush. For example, I choose the brush number 68. Incredible. This is amazing brushes with butterflies. And you can see that I changed the size, but the butterflies are the same. Okay, if you want to change the size of texture without losing quality, firstly you need to click to brushes, then to choose grain, and then to choose scale. You can pull right, pull left. For example, I choose pull left 10%, and now you can see the small texture with butterflies. Okay, let's do this one more time and scale a little bit bigger than was. Butterflies now more bigger. And let's do it one more time. Very big butterflies. Yes, amazing. Buy my brushes from site alinariwa.com.